There is something about this sunset, so quiet yet so full of feeling. Here in Dromana, Melbourne, Australia, the sky meets the ocean like they were always meant to. As the sun slowly fades, it leaves behind colors that words can't explain. And in this moment, I wish you were here with me, just standing, watching, feeling, because sunset are not endings. They are a gentle reminder that beautiful things can still come tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for watching this. Thanks.